Hey friends, let's do Master Blaster Guitar Lesson by Stevie Wonder. I'll play the intro, then we'll break it down. So we're using these octave chords to start with, and we're playing the E and the D string. So we're going to mute the 8th fret E, play it 2 times, and then 10th fret D 2 times. Do that again. Then come back to 6th fret E 2 times, palm muted, and 8 on the D 2 times. Then we go back to the 4th fret E 2 times, 6 on the D 2 times, and do that again. Then come back to the 3rd fret on the E 2 times, 5th fret D 2 times. Then we're going to the F, 1st fret on the E 2 times, 3rd fret on the D 2 times. Do that another 2 more times. Then go to the 3rd fret on the A, palm mute that 2 times. Go to the 5th fret on the G 2 times. Then we're going to play a B flat, and we're going to palm mute it and just do an up strum. Then play the 6th fret on the E again and the 8th fret on the D 2 times. And that's our intro there. To the F. And that's the first part of the intro. Now let's have a look at the second part. So this time we're starting on a C minor, and we're just going to palm mute from the D string up to the E string. And then we're just doing these upstrokes on the bottom of the chord, so we're just using the E, B and G string on that C minor. So we do a palm mute, then up, and then 2 more, and another 2. Then we're going back to the B flat, do 2 there. Then we're going back to A flat, and we're going to do it 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. Go to G, do it 2 times. Then we're going to F, and we're going to do the groups of 2 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're coming back to the C minor. We're going to use the 3rd fret here. We're going to do a down strum, palm muted, and then do the up strum, and do the 2 up strums again. Then come up to the B flat, and we're doing the same, and you can just palm mute down from the D string, palm mute to the E, and then up, and then 2 more ups. So from that C minor, and that's the second part of the intro, and we do that part through 2 times there. Then we have our verse, and that's the same as the second part of the intro, the C minor, to the B flat, to the A flat, to the G, to the F 4 times, to the C minor with the palm mute, to the B flat with the palm mute. And do that 2 times there, and that's our verse. So we're just starting on the C minor again, but you can just play the bottom 3 strings there, barring the 8th fret, 2 times and another 2. Then come back to 7 on the G, 6 on the B, 7 on the E, and 2 lots again there. Then just move up to 8G, stay on 6B, 8 on the E 2 times. Then we have this little run starting on the D string. We have 10, then G, 8, 10, B, 8, 8, back to G, 10, 10, 8, 8, 10, 8, and then to D, 8, 10. do that through 2 times there, so our C minor again. Our little run. Now we have this little fill here. We've ended on the 10 on the D, then we're going to play 8, 10, and then 8 on the G. Then go back to 10 on the D, G, 8, 10, B, 8, back to G, 10, 8, back to D, 10, 8, 10. Then jump to the A string, 10, D, 8, 10, play the 8, 10 again, and then 8 on the G, back to D, 10, G, 8, 10, 8 on the B, back to G, 10, 8, back to D, 10, to G, 8, 10, back to B, 8, back to G, 10, 8, and to D, 10, 8, 10. So let me do that part slowly for you, it's a little confusing. And that's our chorus there. From there we go back to the verse, and that's exactly the same. And then we do that first part of the chorus with our C minor. We do that 4 times there, and then we have the next little fill. So we're ending on the 10 for the chorus, and then D, 8, 10, G, 8, back to D, 10, G, 8, 10, B, 8, back to G, 10, 8, D, 10, 8, 10, A, 10, back to D, 8, 10, 8, 10, and then 8 on the G. So that's the same as our first one. Then we go back to 10 on the D, G, 8, 10, 8, B, back to the G string, 10, 8, 10 on the D, and then we have 8 G, 8 B. Then 10 on the G, jump back to B, 8, 11, then do 8, 11 again, 8 on the E, then go 11 B, back to E, 8, 11, 8, back to B, 11, 8, 8, back to E, 8, 11. Then the last little run, 11 on the B to E, 8, 11, 8, 11 B, back to 8 on the E, back to B, 11, 8, 11, 8, 10 on the G, back to 8 B, back to the G, 10, 8, then jump to 8 on the B, back to the G, 10, 8, 10, 8, 10 on the D, back to 8 G, back to the D, 10, 8, 10, 8, 10 on the A, and back to 10 on the D. So let's do that slowly. And that's our little fill there. So it's very similar to our intro. We're just going to palm mute down on the C minor again from the D string, and then do an up, and then on the E 8 2 times, on the D 10 2 times, and palm muting the E string, back to 6 on the E string 2 times, D 8 2 times, then 4 and 6, do that again, then 3 and 5 once, then back to the F, we're going to do that 3 times, 3 on the A, 5 on the G, then back to 6 on the E, 8 on the D. And that's our little fill there, similar to the intro. From there we go back to the verse, and that's exactly the same, and then we go to the chorus. We leave out that last fill and we just keep repeating the chorus till the end. And there are all the parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Master Blaster Guitar Lesson by Stevie Wonder. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you love your 70s rock, glam and pop, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more songs, and I'll see you soon.